takeaway section. I'll start with you, Mark Stouterberg. What are the most important things that you would like to see our attendees leave here today top of mind with?
Yeah, I think top of mind for this particular presentation is to really think about what your objective is in implementing a restrictive covenant. Try not just to slap down, cover all the bases, pick every item from the menu and have a smorgasbord of provisions. I think it's very important to consider what your objective truly is, and to consider whether do you even need a non-compete. Will a non-solicitation agreement and a confidentiality agreement take care of your needs? And if you are going to have a true non-compete agreement, what is it that you're trying to protect? Are you able to limit that, to give ultimately the litigator who you need to call on to enforce it the tools he needs to secure an effective enforcement of that restriction?
Avi Scoff, to you.
So I have two takeaways, one for trade secrets and one for restrictive covenants. For trade secrets, I think the key takeaway is to identify the information within your business or within your organization that you do not want your competitors or others to know. Forget about complicated legal definitions. Identify the information that you don't want others to know and create an environment within the office where everyone understands that this is our information, the company's information, and we all are responsible to take steps to protect it. And as the employer, you need to take the additional step of requiring NDAs, password-protected computer websites, etc. So the number one takeaway on trade secrets is to create a culture where secrecy is respected. The takeaway for restrictive covenants is to define that which you are trying to protect. I agree 100% with Mark on that. Define what you are trying to protect for a particular person, and then draft an agreement that protects that issue or that concern. Do not attempt to throw the kitchen sink into every agreement. Do not attempt to have a non-competition agreement when all you need is a non-solicitation of customers agreement. Do not attempt to keep employees from working. Do not attempt to use your agreements to discourage people from finding the best jobs they can get. Identify what you need for your business, draft to that, offer the agreement to employees at the time that you hire them, or provide additional consideration when you ask them to sign.